Hey guys, I'm Maddie and you're watching AFI How-Tos. In today's video, I have a lovely candle project for you guys to try out using our own version of Mill Creek's Burning Love fragrance oil. I mean, what better romantic fragrance is there for a candle? And, you know, I'll just stop rambling. Let's get to how to make them. I really like to use my wax melting pot when making multiple candles at a time. Calculate how much wax you'll need to fill each of your containers. So in my case, I have two 10-ounce vessels here. They're a gorgeous matte pink color that could transform an otherwise, plain candle into a popping piece of home decor. So we're gonna wick our tins using our sticker tabs, being sure to keep them centered. And I have this little wick placer here to help make sure they're nice and centered. With all my containers wicked and ready to go, I can get the wax melted down. I'm sticking with my favorite Parasoy blend for container candles, Pro Blend 600. Since I'm making two candles, each of which can hold 8 ounces of wax, I'm melting down a pound of it. Whether you're using a melting pot or a double boiler, bump the heat up and allow the wax to reach about 185 degrees. I'll check back in with you guys when my wax is ready to go. Alright, so it looks like the wax is around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for the temperature in adding fragrance oil. I'm using 1.6 ounces of our version of Burning Love by Mill Creek. This is a 10% fragrance load, concentrated enough for a strong throw, but not enough to cause any burn issues. Stir the fragrance in for at least a minute. Be gentle but thorough with it to make sure the fragrance oil is evenly blended into the wax. Looks like I'm right at pouring temperature for my wax type, which is about 165 degrees. I like using my batter dispenser when pouring multiple candles at a time to make it clean and easy. Fill up each jar evenly and keep the wicks in place using a bow tie wick holder. Now give them a day to fully cool before trimming the wicks to 1/4 of an inch. And to get the most out of your soy or soy blend candle, give them about a week or so to cure before their first burn. Even with the plain white wax, these candles look lovely thanks to these beautiful jars. Candles have become an important element of home decor, with many consumers looking for ways to scent and decorate their space at the same time. That's why the containers you choose are essential to the success of your sales. Remember, most consumers shop with their eyes thanks to the rise of e-commerce. An aesthetically pleasing candle vessel can make all the difference, so don't be afraid to try out colors and shapes. Just make sure that they're heat safe. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the AFI lab. Become a member of the Fragrance Fam by subscribing to our channel and ring that bell icon so you can stay in the know. If you have any questions about candles or fragrance, drop them down below or connect with us on all of our socials. You can find them linked in the description box down below. Well, I can't wait to catch you guys in the next episode of AFI How-Tos, so until then, bye!